Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, open the Ring app and sign in. Make sure your phone is on the new Wi-Fi network and you have the SSID and password ready. If the doorbell is battery-powered, ensure it has enough charge. If wired, it's fine. Once ready, go to the device and press the Setup button or remove the faceplate for the button. This forces the doorbell into setup mode so the app can discover it and begin reconfiguration. Now use the Ring app to perform the actual switch. Tap Devices, select your doorbell, then choose Set up a device or change Wi-Fi network. Follow the guided prompts, select the home location, then pick the new SSID and enter the password exactly. The app will momentarily connect to the doorbell's temporary hotspot to send credentials. This happens automatically once the doorbell is in setup mode. Make sure you stay near the finish by confirming the doorbell reports the new SSID in device health and shows a good signal. If it doesn't connect, power cycle the doorbell, remove power or battery, wait 10 seconds, then retry the setup flow in the app. If problems persist, move your phone and router closer, temporarily disable advanced router security like MAC filtering, then repeat. Once connected, test live view and notifications to make sure video and alerts work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.